Hey guys, it's Sandro here with just another quick video that's about understanding how and when you can successfully polish your car's plastic trims to restore them to a like-new appearance. Now I've actually shown this method while detailing a couple of cars in some past videos, and I also teach it in some of my detailing classes, but I've never done a separate video on the method itself. In any case, this method seems to freak some people out that are shocked that I'd even consider polishing a car's plastic trim. So this video is about trying to explain that yes, there are certain rules in detailing that are there for good reasons, but once you learn those rules, you can actually learn how to break them successfully to take your work and results to the next level. Plastic trims are not just plastic trims, and they vary at astronomical levels, meaning that almost every plastic trim on every car is a little different in relation to things like texture and finish, hardness and softness, colour and tone, coated and uncoated, and so on. So while some plastic trims should never be polished, others will in fact greatly benefit from a polishing or fine abrasive correction process, as you can hopefully see in the footage. Perhaps the harder part is knowing which plastic trims can be polished, which is something that comes with testing and experience, but overall they tend to be the ones with the gloss to satin finishes and without textured surfaces or thin film rubber coatings. And the goal is to use a fine abrasive to correct or remove the defects such as oxidation or fading, minor scratches or swirls, and mineral or water spot etchings. The benefit of using a polish instead of a dressing, dye or coating is that you're actually removing the defects and not just filling or masking them. So it really is a true correction process that won't wear away, and if you properly protect the plastic trims after you polish them, it is a permanent result. In relation to technique, I do prefer to use a machine polisher when possible, as it always renders more consistent results, but you can also hand polish the trims. With the pad and polish choice, it's actually really similar to correcting your car's paint, in that it really depends how bad the trim itself is, and how sensitive or soft the actual plastic itself is. So I just tend to start with a light pad and polish, and then work up from there to a more aggressive combination if needed. So in essence, you can actually use the same principles and products used to correct car paint, to also correct certain plastic trims with great success and results. You'll also find the technique I'm using here, which is with a light finishing polish, on just a general purpose microfiber towel, works extremely well for hard to reach places. You'll most likely see the plastic's residue transfer onto your microfiber towel or your polishing pad, which is absolutely normal, and you'll also find that a light polish is a fantastic way to also give these certain plastics and trims a thorough deep clean, which after an IPA or alcohol-based wipe down, perfectly prepares the trim for a protectant or coating. Just remember that you are using the polishing abrasives to level out the oxidation and minor defects, and not just applying it like a wax or dressing. So be sure to work the polish in well with some moderate pressure, if working by hand, which will allow you to achieve the best results. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel to show your support for these videos, and I'll see you guys soon.